Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share you how to do natural eyeshadow look. So without further ado, let's get started. Natural looks, it's depend on everyone's preference. So somebody likes to enhance the darkest part of their eye, and some people like to make it blushy. Today's video I'm going to use this elf. In this palette they have 4 different colors, so here I will be using this color and this color. First of all, we need to wash our face and use the moisturizer and prep it. After you use moisturizer, some people they like to use primer on their eyelids so the eyeshadow will not go anywhere. But if you don't have, you can use concealer and then tap it with powder. Or if you don't have the concealer, you can even use foundation and tap it again with powder. It will help the eyeshadow to last long throughout the day. So in today's video I'm gonna use my concealer, just a little bit around there, and then tap it, blend it nicely. And now just using baby powder, I'm gonna tap my eyelid with this brush. If you don't have, you can just use your hand. Like, don't make yourself difficult, just use whatever you have. Alright, now with this brush, it's from elf, like this. This one is eye crease brush from elf. It's just $1 if you want to know the price. I got it from Walmart, so yeah. Alright, now we start by tapping the eyeshadow. Remember, you don't need much because it's only natural look, and don't forget to tap your brush because the excess will go everywhere and sometimes it comes to your eyes and it's not good. And let's start. So for hooded eyes, you will need to build your new crease, because if you don't, the eyeshadow will come into the folded area here and you will never see the eyeshadow. It will be wasted. And also try to not close your eyes like this if you have hooded eyes, because when you close you don't know where is the fold, and then when you open it's just gone. So make sure to open your eyes like this so you know where is the fold and you can just make the new crease as nice as possible. Right, so you can see here darker, here not. It's just making the eyelid more definition. Alright, I'm gonna do it this size now. I'm using this brush because it's small, so you will be easier to control the movement, okay? As you can see. And then I'm gonna take my donut bun to clean my brush from the first color shadow, and then I'm gonna use this one.
Let me clean my brush, okay?
Okay. For the center of my eyes until the corner here. For this one, you can close your eyelid because you're going to use it all over the eyes. And make sure to blend so there is no harsh line between the darker eyeshadow and the lighter eyeshadow. It will make your eyelid look flawless after you apply this one. Okay, now this side. The key is to use one color light and one color dark. That's it. You just need that 2 colors, and so actually that's it. as natural as possible. After this, it's up to you. You wanna add eyeliner or you wanna add wing liner like Cleopatra or something. It's up to you, as long as your eyeshadow done. So now I'm gonna finish all my look. Now I'm using Maybelline Master Prices for my eyeliner.
This doesn't get it off.
Now for the lower lid, I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild eyeliner. And now I'm gonna do my eyelashes. Next, I'm gonna do my eyebrow by using LA Color. Revlon Photoready for the face primer. Primer makes your pores look smoother, so if you don't want to use the primer, there is no problem. It's all just, again, back to your preference. Also, if you don't want to use fake lashes, even it is not the problem at all. So just do whatever, it's your face. But in this video I'm just gonna show you how I do my natural eyeshadow look. I'm using both of these because my face is in the middle, in between these two. So I'm gonna mix Fit Me from Maybelline with Revlon Colorstay. I'm gonna use this round brush, just kind of tapping them, not rubbing them, because I have a lot of period scar on my face. If I just rub them, those pores will look even larger. So to avoid that, I'm just tapping on my big face. Make sure to blend them up nicely, because you don't want to have different colors between your face and your neck, and it's so lined up. It is just not nice. And now I'm gonna pat on some baby powder on my face and finish my lips. Stay Matte liquid lip color onto my lips, and just little bit of definition to my cheek, so it is not so flat. I'm using this bronzer from the same, the one we use for eyeshadow, which is from ELF too. Contour palette. And yeah, this is the final look of my natural eyeshadow look. For the false lashes, you can skip it or you can have it, it's just up to you. I like to have some you know, brighten on my eyes just by applying some fake lashes. And for the lips, because it is natural, I'm stick to just, you know, nude pink like this. I'm not going into bright one. And yeah, I'm very happy for this look. I'm gonna use this look for, you know, just going out, hanging out like that, because it's not so glam and it's not so, you know, pop up. And after some time, after some hours, my skin will start getting oil, and the makeup will blend nicely with the oil, and it just look natural even more, so not so matte like this one. Alright guys, I think that's all for today's natural eyeshadow look. I hope you guys like it, and if you like it, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.